Hello and welcome. In the previous video, we discussed about reflexive relation. This video will solve some problems on reflexive relation. So here we have a problem where A is set of lines and the relation is x is parallel to y, and both x and y should be taken from set A. The question is R reflexive? So when we take two parallel lines, so x comma x or y comma y, anything like this, any y comma y, any line like this, z comma z, anything. So every line is parallel to itself. So we can take any line and pair it with the same line and form a relation like this, and this relation will be reflexive. This is mainly because of the fact every line is parallel to itself. So this is reflexive. R is reflexive. Let us take next problem. The same problem, but here the relation is like this. Like I have to take two lines x and y from the set A such that x is perpendicular to y. So if I take one line, say let's say we have a line like this. Let's say this is line 1. The line 1 is not perpendicular to itself. If I write line like this, it's not perpendicular to itself. So if I take x and x, two lines from A, x is not perpendicular to x itself. So no line is perpendicular to itself. So we cannot pair lines like this, x x, y y, z z. We cannot pair like this. We cannot do this. So here R is not reflexive. Here R is not reflexive because of the fact the line is not perpendicular to itself. The line is parallel to itself, but it is never perpendicular to itself. Hence, R is not reflexive in this case. Let's take one more problem. So here we have a set A, which is a set of human beings, and have a relation where we have to take two elements from A such that x is brother of y. So if I take x and x, two human beings, so the same person cannot be brother to himself. So x cannot be brother to x. So hence here R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. So we'll solve more problems on these types of relations. Thanks for watching.